So this is a request from a viewer. I have an iPhone 11. They have an 11 Pro, but I have an 11. This is just the device I'm going to be doing the demo on. And both of their pentalobe screws are stripped completely. There is still a way to get in. Just so you have a little bit of a better understanding. The pentalobe obviously goes into the bottom of the phone, and it holds it in just like that. So as long as we can get past these things right here, these little feet, or whatever you want to call them, then you can get into the phone. This plate right here has a little bit of flex. Personally, I'd say it's easier on the non-LCD models. So like this is harder on the XR and the 11. But that's just my opinion. So we have our phone, we have both of our pentalobes. Ideally, you can use an iSesamo. Ideally, if you don't want to damage the display, I'd say we're better off using a Magic Glass. As you can see, it just disperses the pressure amongst a much wider area. Heating it up isn't a bad idea either. But as you can see, I already have the screen lifted, but we still need to get past those two pentalobes. And really, it's just a matter of somehow this isn't broken. So we got past one. But you can see, let me see, you can see that this is the plate, and really you want to ideally be lifting up on the plate, not the LCD, obviously, because you could break the LCD or OLED. But another technique is to just like that. I really hope I got that on video, because I really don't feel like redoing that. But as we can see, LCD still works, it's not damaged, touch is functional. You'll notice let me pull this off. You'll notice my whatever you want to call these things, these feet are sort of bent out of place, which is, well, to be expected, as that's literally what we were doing. From this point, Essentially, if you're gonna put on another screen, it depends on what you're doing. If you're replacing the housing, because like I don't know, the housing is trashed, don't worry about it. Obviously, just put them in your replace the panel lobes with your new housing. The secondary option is that you can bend back both of these and just literally fold them over. It's not great because you'll end up with pressure points on the underside of the display, because obviously there's not supposed to be I mean, they've designed this phone down to the, you know, fraction of a millimeter. And then the third option is to remove some of these components and just remove as much as you can. You might actually have to remove the entire charging port. But literally just pretend that these are needle nose pliers, and then just to twist until the screw starts to unthread itself. Its head will peek out, and then you can grab your tweezers from the outside and then just start rotating. And those are essentially the ways that you have available to you. So I hope this was of some help. Make sure to like the video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.